Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cashapp with Citizens Bank. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your Cashapp account once you do sign up. But once you do sign up, you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. Go ahead and click on the upper right hand profile icon and then scroll down to where it says linked banks. Now, if you don't see the option for linked banks, it might say something like linked cards or linked debit cards. Go ahead and click on that. But for my case, I am going to click on linked banks. And then from here, as you can see, I do have my debit card already linked. And that's what actually allowed me to see the option to link a bank. So go ahead and click on link bank and then click on continue. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you find Citizens Bank. Citizens Bank is on the right hand side. So go ahead and click on it. And then from here, the prompts are going to be pretty straightforward. You're just going to be logged into Citizens Bank. And then afterwards, you're going to checkbox the checkings account or savings account that you want linked to Cashapp. So that is how you link Cashapp to Citizens Bank. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your account once you do sign up.